I've cut some beetroot and a large onion into wedges and roasted for about 20 minutes. To that I'm just going to add a couple of garlic cloves. We need to go back into the oven now for a further 15 minutes until they're nice and tender. I've got some spaghetti here. I'm going to cook that in a large pan of salted water. Now for the sauce, I'm going to put the roasted onions and half of the roasted beetroot into a blender and then just remove the skin from those garlic cloves. I've got some toasted walnuts here, just keep a few back and tip the rest in. For the full list of ingredients, just click on the link. I'm going to scoop some of that starchy water out from the spaghetti and a little pinch of salt and just give that a whiz. We want quite a smooth sauce here. So that's our sauce all done. Now it's time to drain the pasta. Now let's just pour that sauce straight onto the hot pasta. Put that onto a low heat very gently while you mix it together. If it's a little bit too thick still, add a splash more of that pasta water just to loosen it up a little bit. Now we're ready to plate up. Don't forget those reserved pieces of beetroot, and then to finish off, some of those reserved walnuts. And I've got a little sprinkling of feta. And feta and beetroot we know is a really great combination. And then to bring it all together, a little sprinkle of fresh dill. And for more delicious recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.